So today we are at Plymouth Chiropractic Clinic, hot water extracting all the walkway carpets, reception area into the waiting room. You can see there's some walkways coming through down into there, and then you can just see it's grubby as people walk in. And then we've got one flight of stairs. These guys are seeing hundreds and hundreds of patients every month, so there's a lot of traffic that goes through. The odd oil mark. But you can see going into each treatment room just needs a bit of a tidy up. Going across the landings. You've got two staircases, corridor, and the downstairs. So you can just see when people come in, there's quite a bad walkway there, and then going around to the waiting area. So yeah, this is my job for a Saturday morning. So all the carpets came out really well, all the oily greasy marks came out. The walkways are looking a lot. This is quite a bad one here, but that's quite a heavily used area. Other than that, all the stains and the marks came out alright. Both sets of staircases cleaned and freshened up. Coming down to this is the worst bit, where clients come into the desk. It's all come out really well. Bit of a worn area there, but in front of the door's alright. Into the waiting room, the threshold there, you can see where it's used the most. All the walkways look good, all the little black marks came out. And the little playroom, and then down towards the toilet. All finished and looking good.